Have you tried blending your carrots without a juicer? Well, today we're going to be making a very simple carrot and banana smoothie, which is going to be very nutritious, healthy, and very filling. The smoothie is going to turn out very thick, creamy, and delicious. For the recipe, you need 3 bananas, fresh carrots, which were peeled, ice cubes, milk, and your blender. So I'm going to transfer in my carrots, which are sliced into medium pieces. Add in some bananas. Bananas are high in potassium and also they aid in digestion. Carrots have lots of benefits. For example, they balance your sugar levels in your body, help with weight management, and promote a better health vision because they have vitamin A. Add in ice cubes. The ice cubes and milk are going to get the smoothie very creamy. Cover and blend until smooth. Once ready, I love the color. I'm going to pick a glass and transfer in my delicious carrot and banana smoothie. Once your smoothie is ready, it's going to be thick and very delicious. Also, let's not forget it's going to be thick. Wrong. When your smoothie is ready, it's going to be sweet, thick, and delicious, and every sip is going to be totally worth it.